Welcome to Blue Chip Auto Works. I'm Charles. I'm going to change the steering wheel on my 1983 Mustang. But first I'm going to change clothes and get some coffee. Now that I'm dressed for success, I'm going to need a ratchet, an extension, a 24mm socket, a steering wheel puller, two 5/16 by 24 bolts, about 2.5 inches long, and I got the NRG. It's an SRK 174 hotel hub adapter, and in my case I'm also going to need some coffee. So now that we've got our hub and our steering wheel, we can put everything together. And so now that we've got the steering wheel on the hub, we're going to install it on the car. Now that we've got the steering wheel replaced, let's go for a test drive. Thank you very much for watching the video. I put a list of the tools and equipment I used in the description. Take care.